Hi, I'm Amy Schmidt from Dinner Board with what to make this week. 5 great easy dinner recipes. Recipe number 1, Aloha Burgers. It's a turkey burger packed with flavor, topped with a bunch of yummy things, including a grilled pineapple ring. I know, pineapple sounds weird, like pineapple on pizza weird, but trust me, it really works for this and it's delicious. Recipe number 2, emergency tacos. I've made these on a night when we've gotten in from a late night softball game. My kids are laying on the floor claiming they're starving to death. They're not. But 4 easy ingredients thrown together, you can have dinner ready in minutes. Recipe number 3, Deconstructed BLT Salad. We love BLTs here, especially in the summer, but a sandwich for dinner isn't usually enough food for my kids, and it's too hot to make soup as a side. So I deconstructed the whole sandwich, including making homemade croutons that have a nice chew to them and make the salad much more satisfying. Recipe number 4, Dad's Bucatini Pie. I found this recipe on Food and Wine a bunch of years ago, and I've been making it ever since. It's a staple in our house, and I like to think of it as more of a grown-up macaroni and cheese. I serve it with a jarred marinara and a side salad for a really easy weeknight Italian dinner. Recipe number 5 is pork noodles with scallion and chili. This is a super easy make-ahead dish that's served cold and is perfect for a backyard get-together or for a picnic, especially if you pack it in those little cute takeout containers. So those are the recipes for this week. If you like what you heard, give me a like, leave me a comment, let me know what you may make, what sounds good, and thanks for watching.